Over 7,000 islands filled with pristine beaches, crystal clear water, and breathtaking natural landscapes, the Philippines is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. While it may not be easy to travel around as destinations like Thailand or Bali, due to its island geography and varying transport options, it is absolutely worth the effort. This guide will help you navigate the Philippines with ease, from planning your itinerary to discovering hidden gems. Hi guys, welcome back to Where to Next. And if you are thinking about visiting the Philippines, right? Amazing choice. Before I visited, I had no idea what to expect. But here are 10 things I really wish I knew before visiting the Philippines, and they will help you too. When to go matters a lot. The best time to visit the Philippines is from December to May, which is the dry season in most part of the country. However, Siargao is a little different. Its best weather runs from March to October. It's best to avoid traveling from July to October unless you don't mind surprise typhoons and cancel ferries. Trust me, the weather can change everything when you are island hopping. Transportation in the Philippines is a bit different from other Southeast Asian countries. In local towns and villages, the most common way to get around are by tricycle, motorbike, or ferry. These are cheap, fun, and give you a real taste of local life. In big cities like Manila and Cebu, you can use the Grab app to order food or book taxis. It's the easiest and safest way to get around. If you don't know, Philippines has 7,000 plus islands, so it's really hard to travel around. Obviously, taking buses to explore Philippines not possible. You are gonna have to take ferries, book flight in advance, otherwise it's costly. Flight is the most comfortable and quickest way. Ferries are quite uncomfortable but cheap. Keep in mind that distance can be tricky. Places that look close on the map can take a long time to reach because of traffic, weather, or ferry schedule. Ferries, buses, and even flights can run late, so always add some extra time if you have a connection.
So guys, bring your cell phone, your GoPro, you have, and life vest. Important.
Yes, they speak English. Good news, almost everyone speaks English. It's super easy to ask for help, direction, or order food. That alone makes traveling here way less stressful. Don't spend too much time in Manila or Cebu. These are big busy cities with quite a lot of traffic. If it's your first time in the Philippines, one day is enough to see the main site and get a feel free for the city. Honestly, the best part of the Philippines is out on the island, the beaches, the coral reef, and the relaxed local life. That's where the real beauty is. And that's where you should spend most of your time. Many small towns and islands don't have working ATMs. I learned this the hard way. Withdraw cash in major cities before you go off the grid. Grab a SIM card from Globe or Smart at the airport. It's cheap, give you mobile data almost everywhere, and it's a lifesaver for booking ferries, hotels, or checking Google Maps. You can also use an eSIM if your phone supports it. I personally used LLO while traveling across 4 countries, and it was a great choice, good connection, fair prices, and very convenient. I actually got a discount code. You can get discount. Use my code when you first time purchase. You get 2.5 pound off. If you are going between December and April, make sure to book everything early. Ferries, hotel, and even island tours. These months get super busy, especially in Nido and Siargao spots fill up fast. I booked my hotels through Airbnb and Booking.com and got my ferry tickets from a local shop once I arrived. In my next video, I will share all the details, what I booked, how much it cost, and tips to make your trip stress-free. Stay tuned. Only drink bottle of filtered water and avoid ice in remote areas. Trust me, getting sick on island is not fun. People often say the Philippines is cheap, but that's not always true. It can actually be more expensive than other Southeast Asian countries because of the island hopping, flight, and tour. If you stick to Filipino food, it's very affordable. A simple meal can cost just a few pounds, but Western food and imported drinks are very expensive. Also, you wouldn't find as many big street food markets as in Thailand or Bali. Yes, you can travel on budget if you stay in hostels, eat local food, and use public ports or buses. Around £30 a day is possible, but If you want private island tour, nice hostels, and domestic flight, your daily budget can easily reach £100 or more. Booking tours locally is often cheaper than booking online, and cash is still king in many islands. ATMs can be hard to find in smaller places, so plan ahead. So that's it, 10 things I wish I knew before I landed in the Philippines. Thanks for watching the video. I hope these 10 things help you plan the perfect trip to the Philippines. It's honestly one of the most beautiful places I have ever been. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next adventure. In my next video, I will be sharing the must-have apps you need to download before you travel in Southeast Asia, from booking rides to ordering food, finding hidden gems and even staying safe. So stay tuned. Join the journey, hit subscribe and let's see where to next, honey.